Have you ever wondered how common items, things you might find in any kitchen or garage, could land someone in serious legal trouble? It might seem strange, but everyday objects can sometimes cross a line into something legally problematic. When we talk about drug paraphernalia, we are generally referring to any equipment, product, or material that is used, intended for use, or designed for use in manufacturing, compounding, converting, concealing, producing, processing, preparing, injecting, ingesting, inhaling, or introducing into the human body a controlled substance. The key factor in classifying an item as paraphernalia often comes down to intent. This means the law looks at whether the person possessing the item intended for it to be used with illegal drugs. For example, a common digital scale is perfectly legal on its own. However, if it is found with traces of illegal drugs, or in a context that suggests drug dealing, a prosecutor might argue it is drug paraphernalia. Similarly, plastic baggies, rolling papers, or even common pipes can become paraphernalia depending on their context of use. Courts consider the totality of the circumstances, how the item is packaged, its proximity to illegal substances, any residue found on it, and even statements made by the person possessing it. Laws vary significantly between states, so what is considered paraphernalia in one state might be different in another. To avoid issues, always be mindful of the items you possess, especially if you are around controlled substances. If you find yourself in a situation where everyday items are being used for illegal purposes, it is wise to distance yourself from those activities and items. If law enforcement questions you about an item, remember your right to remain silent and to consult with an attorney. Do not try to explain away an item as this could be misinterpreted. Understanding this intent-based classification is crucial. It is not just about the item itself, but about the specific purpose or design. Law enforcement officers are trained to look for specific indicia or signs that an item's purpose is related to illegal drug use. This could include things like the presence of residue or modifications made to an object to facilitate drug use. For example, an apple could become paraphernalia if it is hollowed out and used as a pipe. Knowing that intent transforms ordinary objects into drug paraphernalia empowers you to be more aware of your surroundings and the potential legal implications of seemingly innocent items. This knowledge can help you make informed decisions and protect your legal rights should you ever face such a situation.